Hello guys, and welcome back to the Fit Fix. If you're new here, welcome. My name is John, and on this channel we discuss fitness, mental well-being, and business. In today's video, I'm going to discuss my personal experience with Tribulus Terrestris. I've taken the supplement for about a year and a half so far. First, starting out with 6 months of 1,500 milligrams of Tribulus Terrestris extract. Then, after that 6 months was over, I moved up to 15,000 milligrams of Tribulus Terrestris, which I saw the most growth and impact. I did see an increase in my overall strength output during my gym sessions, but as soon as I started taking 15,000 milligrams, I noticed a great increase in my upper body strength and upper body size. But as soon as I started taking 15,000 milligrams of Tribulus Terrestris extract, I noticed my upper body was getting larger and stronger at the same time. First, I noticed my shoulders getting wider, as well as I saw huge growth in my biceps and triceps. During the same time, I found a 1-a-day, 180-day capsules, 15,000 milligram pill. This only cost me about $20, leading to about $50 a year to have an increase in muscle mass size, and also don't recommend taking any testosterone booster until you're done with puberty. So with being said, around 16 to 18, I would recommend a start of taking this. I think every man should take some form of testosterone boosting, like various other supplements that I've covered in my other videos. With that being said, side effects. So I've noticed no side effects. Within the last year and a half of me taking this, I've not noticed any side effects. I've only noticed muscle growth and performance increase in the gym. Now, as daily supplements, I do recommend taking this. I recommend this to every male. Females, not as recommended due to testosterone increase. I would say starting out at 15,000 milligrams might be a little extreme for most people. I recommend starting around 750 milligrams to about 1,500 milligrams to start. Once you find your right dose, you can slowly scale it up to get a more impactful experience of the wonders of Tribulus Terrestris. I found these on Amazon.com for about $22 with shipping, and I do recommend it to everybody. If you have any questions, please comment down below. With that being said, I do recommend other supplements with Tribulus Terrestris. To find these supplements, check my page out. I've gone in detailed list of my experience with various supplements and how they benefit or work worse my body. Make sure you subscribe and like this video so we can help more people be the best version of themselves, as well as I hope for you too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.